Hello, Chris Ross here with Crete Truck Center, Tomahawk, Wisconsin. I'm here today to talk about our 303 air tilt air ramp trailer. This is a 30-ton capacity. The unit is a 30-foot trailer, 24-foot deck with a 6-foot beaver tail. The deck is 102 inches wide. The deck height is 36 inches tall. The air tilt mechanism is pin off, and the lever flips up, and the air control is on the side. The front tongue, or eyelet, is adjustable. The rear controls for the ramps and the strobe light are in the back left corner. This trailer is located in Tomahawk, Wisconsin. And you can reach us there at 715-453-7028, or please do stop by 1017 North 4th Street. Thank you. Have a great day.